And today, not a bad day out. I mean, it is warm, it's humid, but the storms are holding off until tonight, which is why we do have a WFA weather alert until, well, really tonight between midnight and 4 in the morning. So this is technically Wednesday since it's after midnight. Here's the thing. This happens after the sun sets. It's going to be dark out. Make sure to have a way to get warnings. Not every storm that we see tonight will be severe, but the potential is there for a cold front to produce these storms, and those storms in turn produce up to quarter-sized hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and brief heavy rain and lightning. The brief heavy rain and lightning is the more likely scenario for most of us. What you need to do is just make sure to have a way to get the warnings. Our WFA app on your mobile device and WFA Plus on your smart TV, both free to use. We'll be updating there all night long, really. Our severe weather outlook shows this. Hunt County, Rockwall, Dallas, Ellis County, Collin, Tarrant, Denton to the west. That's where we have our slight risk for severe weather. Our most active time period happens between midnight and 4 in the morning. This does not mean that everyone fits this, but our most active time period for the Metroplex happens to be during that time frame. If you are west of DFW, the storms get to you first. If you're east of DFW, the storms get to you closer to sunrise, and I'll time it out for you. Right now, we're just looking at a few scattered showers near Gainesville. This was all part of a cluster of thunderstorms from this morning that actually did hold across the western third of North Texas. Now that's left just a few showers and some cloud cover. This cloud cover here to stay a good chunk of the day. I think we will see a few breaks in the clouds. Otherwise, it's going to be warm and humid. Here's how today plays out, though. Around 4, we'll notice a dry line taking shape somewhere in our western half. And what we'll see is with a dry line, we could see some thunderstorms popping up. These thunderstorms would be isolated thunderstorms. The more likely chance that you see the storms will be along this cold front. So this is around 4 in the afternoon. I'm going to fast forward here around 7. I'm going to stop the clock at 7. And you see that front starting to pick up on some added activity right along the Red River. This is now showing you 10. Around 10, we'll see these storms really popping in and around Gainesville, Sherman. Then as we get closer to midnight, again, most active time period, that's about the time that we start to see more activity in Denton, Wise, and Parker County. Between midnight and 2 in the morning, that front works its way in. Between 2 in the morning and 4 in the morning, that front moves south of DFW, and along with it, the strongest activity. And we could still see a few lingering showers through the rush hour on Wednesday, but for the most part, the severe weather threat will have lowered and have pushed towards the south. And then eventually that front stalls, and that's what keeps the rain in the area for the next several days. So rain coverage will still be relatively low the rest of the week. Our highest rain coverage happens tonight, so Tuesday night, again between midnight and 4 in the morning. That's about 70% coverage for us. And then that rain chance continues, although slim, the rest of the week and through the weekend. 1 to 2 inches of rain possible this week for DFW. The more north you are, the higher your rain totals will be. 2 to 3 inches possible along portions of the Red River. Meanwhile, right now, like I mentioned, it looks a little cloudy. Wind gusts of about 24 miles per hour. Well, I am expecting a heat index closer to the mid-90s this afternoon as highs make it into the upper 80s. A low near 70 tonight, 81 tomorrow, and the 90s for this weekend. We'll be back.